So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the XPath access methods that are parent, child and self. So first let me explain you what is the access methods. Okay, so access methods are used when we select a particular node or a tag. Regarding XML we call it a node, and regarding HTML we call it a tag. Okay, so when we select a particular node in XML or a particular tag in HTML, and then we find relationship of other node or other tag with respect to that particular node, then access methods are used. For example, if I select you, okay, you, and then I find relationship of other persons with respect to you, okay, then access methods are used. For example, let me go to the website, the salesforcedeveloper.com, and then let me inspect this country or region, drop down menu. So this will be in the select tag. So I inspected it and you can see the select tag. Okay, so this I have selected, this particular node I have selected for the example. Okay, so let me drop it down. You can see here option tags are available. Okay, these are nothing but the options when you drop it down. Okay, so drop down are created by the option tag only. Select an option tag. Okay, so these are the option tag. Okay, so these are all the children of the select tag. Okay, these all are the children of select tag. Option, these all are the children. Why? Because the select tag is slightly towards the left to the option tag. Okay, and option tags are at the same level. You can see that this option tag is a sibling to this option tag, this option tag is a sibling to this option tag. Okay, this option tag is a sibling to this option tag. Okay, so these are the siblings. Okay, and this is the parent of all the siblings. Okay, this is the parent tag. Similarly, the select tag has a parent, this div tag. Okay, this div tag. Why? Because this div tag is slightly towards the left. Okay, because the DOM structure tells us that it is not at the same level of the select tag. If it would have been at the same level of the select tag, then this div would have been the sibling, but it is slightly towards the left, therefore it is the parent. If I minimize this, then the select tag will just vanish in front of us. Okay, so you can see that when we open it, the select tag comes in front of us. So this div tag is the parent of this particular select tag. Okay, so now using the parent, child and self methods, we are going to select the child of this select tag, we are going to select the parent of this select tag, and then we are going to select the select tag itself. Okay, so this is what we are going to do with the access methods parent, child and self. Okay, so now let us read the PPT aloud. So it establishes a relationship to the current or context node. What is the current or context node we have chosen? Is this particular select tag. Okay, select tag is the current or context node, and we are going to establish a relationship of this div tag and the option tag with this particular select node. Okay, so it is used in locating the nodes relative to the context of current node in the tree. I hope you understand this, that we will locate the nodes which have some relation to this particular current node, the select tag which we are going to choose. Okay, so parent has this format, /tag name @attribute is equals to value, and parent tag name /tag name attribute is equals to value, and then child tag name, the child has this format, and then the self has this format. Okay, you can read it aloud. So rather than going on to the theory, let's do a practical over that particular website only, and I'm going to press Ctrl F over here and then show you that how to do this. Okay, so let us first write / and then tag name. Okay, we have select this particular tag. Okay, so we will write select, and then we will write square brackets and then attribute. Let us choose some attribute of the select tag. So let's go to the this, and then attribute is name is equals to company country. So let us write this here, name is equals to, and then single inverted comma, and then it vanished away. We should not do any mistake in writing this. So let us copy this, Control C, and then paste it over here, Control V. So this got selected. Okay, then we need to select the child or self. So if I write here self, okay, and then the tag name, what is the self tag name? Select is the self tag name, so it will select itself. Okay, see, it selected itself. As soon as I wrote self and then the tag name, it selected itself. If I write here parent, and then if I write div, because we know that div is the parent of the select tag. Okay, so div, you can see that the parent got selected. Okay, and this is 1 of 1. Okay, and if I write child, you can see that the select tag has the child option. Okay, so OPTION, you can see that option tag got selected, and it has various child. So if you want to select the 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5th child, then you can write in the square brackets 5. see, this option tag got selected. If you write here 6, then the next will be selected. If you write 7, then the next will be selected. So this is how things are done. Okay, so why this is used? Okay, for example, if you have a particular tag and you want to select the parent of that particular tag, and the parent does not has proper attribute, okay, so that you cannot find the parent tag with the help of XPath, you are unable to create the XPath of the parent. So what will you do? You will select the current particular tag or the node which has proper attributes, so that you can use them to write an XPath, and then you will select the parent of that particular tag. Okay, and this will be selected. Okay, and then you can use the for example, if I write here parent and then div. Okay, so you can use this particular XPath and copy this, and then you can perform operations over this particular tag. Okay, and similarly, if the child does not has proper attributes, then you can use the child, and then you can write child and colon, and then you can use the option tag. Okay, so this is how we do it. So now let me take another example to show you that I want to select the parent of these option tags. Okay, so parent of these option tag, all these option tags is what the select tag. Okay, so let me type / tag name option, and then let me write the square brackets and then attributes value is equals to, let me see some of the values. So let me go over here, let me go over here again. So we have the value is equals to AF. Okay, value is equals to, we will type here AF, and then Afghanistan got selected, and then we will write / parent, and then this, and then select. So you can see that the parent of the option tag AF, this particular tag got selected. So this is how the parent tag and the self tag and the child tag is used. Okay, so let me write here self, and then colon, and then it will select itself. So you can see that it selected itself. Okay, so this is the use of the particular parent, child, and the self access methods in Selenium XPath. So I hope that you understood the concept, how to use the parent, child, and self, and where to use the parent, child, and self access methods. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video with some new concepts. So till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.